Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the clutch and installing the temperature sensor. In this segment, we will focus on the essential tools and steps required for a successful installation. First, gather your tools. You will need a socket set, torque wrench, screwdrivers, a clutch alignment tool, and a cleaning brush. Additionally, make sure to have some rags handy to clean any debris. Now, let's start with the clutch replacement. Begin by safely lifting the vehicle using jack stands, ensuring it is stable. Remove the wheels for easier access to the transmission. Next, locate the bolts securing the transmission to the engine. Carefully remove these bolts using the appropriate socket from your set. Remember to keep track of each bolt, as you will need them for reassembly. Once the transmission is free, slide it back to expose the clutch assembly. Take a moment to inspect the old clutch for wear and damage. If it seems excessively worn, it's definitely time for a replacement. Now, using the clutch alignment tool, position the new clutch disc in place over the flywheel. This tool is crucial for ensuring the proper alignment of the clutch. Secure the new clutch with the supplied bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications using your torque wrench. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the clutch in place, it's time to focus on the temperature sensor. Locate the sensor's wiring harness on the engine block. Before disconnecting it, take a moment to clean the area with a brush to remove any dirt or debris. This will ensure a good connection when you install the new sensor. Disconnect the old sensor and carefully install the new one, making sure to secure it tightly. If you don't have the tools for this job, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vehicle serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Reconnect the wiring harness and ensure everything is in place. Before reassembling the transmission, double-check the alignment of the clutch once more. This step is vital for avoiding any issues during operation. Reattach the transmission to the engine, aligning it carefully to avoid damaging the new clutch. Secure all bolts firmly, once again using your torque wrench to meet the specified torque values. Finally, reinstall the wheels and lower the vehicle back to the ground. Before taking your car for a test drive, it's advisable to check for leaks around the temperature sensor. If you're looking for a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you every step of the way, ensuring your vehicle is in top condition. Now you're ready to enjoy your newly replaced clutch and functional temperature sensor. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.